So gentlemen, today we're gonna do a video on how do you actually upgrade your factory default speakers on a Scarab 195. I expect it'll be the same on a 215, 245 and whatever else Scarabs if you don't go for the premium audio systems. So we'll upgrade those. Those are the one with the silver easy cover. I don't have them here right now. I'll basically show them later because I've removed them already. And if you're like me, you would think that, well, the factory ones that are in are, we want to upgrade them to kicker stereos with the remote LEDs. These are 6.5 and you would think that they would fit. Well, after getting there, we'll figure you don't see that easily on the drill holes on the top left, right. They do not fit either way. Why? The factory OEM speakers are 6-inch and the kickers are 6.5. So what we'll need to do is basically, I was expecting that I might have to upgrade at the diameter of the hole, but luckily that does fit. So we'll just have a quick fix on see how that works. Just let's remove that. That's for later on the LED control remote. I may do a video on that as well. So, but you can see they do fit. So now what we'll have to do is we're gonna get them new drill holes, and in order to not break the gel coat, I want to show you how that is done. And as there is really just little space on the sides to the old drill holes, you got to be very careful. So step one, what you should do is you place that speaker in as I did here. Try to fix it pretty straight so that it lies straight, so that it doesn't look crappy when it's in. Line that. Now you'll need to look for the holes, and what we do here is a thing, it's tough to see, but there's almost close to the hole. No one. We're going to be having sure no old holes there. Once you've done that, I'll try to put the camera aside so it may be hopefully visible. Not sure if I'll manage to get that done here. Sorry, I'll have to twist around, otherwise it'll be really ugly. I'll try to edit that later. So I'll have this. Now you'll basically take an electric screwdriver, use the factory or new plugs, and you'll just punch them in. But you're going to turn counterclockwise. Why? If you go clockwise, the screw may go in and the gel coat may break. Turning counterclockwise is just going to give you a little divot in the gel coat on which you then can act after removing the speaker with a drill. I'll show how it's done once that's completed.